how we turned our guest bedroom from this to this. 5 of my closest DIY friends came into town to help me get this across the finish line, which made it that much more special. First thing first, we applied a coat of paint to all of the walls. Then removed all the baseboards, window trim, and door trim. We also removed this old closet system, filled the holes, and then started assembling this new closet system. Then added new window trim, door trim, and baseboards. Also updated the closet doors like the rest of the doors in our house by adding this molding. We also added some molding to the back wall where the crib is going to be as an accent wall. Then filled all the nail holes and painted all the trim green to match the rest of the walls. Painting the baseboards before installing made installation so much easier. Hung some adorable wallpaper in the closet and then installed the new closet system and added new hardware. We also installed new baseboards inside the closet, drilled new holes on the closet doors, and installed some new hardware pulls. Lastly, we swapped out the fan for a new light fixture, installed some new blinds and curtains, and then added all the little details. And that's it. What do you think?